Zampone. Zampone is an Italian pork sausage that has a creamy texture and a very spicy flavor. The sausage is usually made from minced pork shoulder, other pork meat and pork skin, and then is encased in the skin of a pig's foot. When served, it may already be partially cooked and require only to be heated before eating. This sausage can be eaten as an appetizer or cut into round slices and served as a main ingredient to a meal. We took the average zampone, unpacked it, preheated for 180 degrees for 25 minutes. And put to the oven. So easy and delicious dish. Always great to have for the Christmas dinner. Enjoy it. Bon appétit!